Assalamu alaikum, everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks to give such a wonderful opportunity to present my research work in this conference. I am Mudassar Aslam, MPhil Zoology from University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Today, I present my research work. The title of this work is The Efficacy of Different Plant Extract and Entomopathogenic Fungi Against Whitefly Bemisia tabaci under Normal Laboratory Conditions. Here is the contents of the study: introduction, identification and damage control, objectives of this study, material and methods, results and discussions, table and graphical presentation. First introduction. Whitefly Babesia tabaci, that is belong to the order Hemiptera, has a global distribution and extensive genetic diversity. It have almost about high genetic groups and at least 24 morphologically indistinguishable species. Whitefly is a polyphagous insect because it feeds more than one crops and also cause some damage and also destroy the uh, food. Here we can easily identify the damage that is caused by the whitefly. Here is the whitefly, and this is the normal leaf of the cotton crops. Whitefly nymph stages and adult stages feed on the crops and also cause some damage, secrete some dew drops on the cotton, and also stunt the growth of leaves and full crops. This is the damaged leaf and this is the normal leaf. We can easily distinguish between the normal leaves and damaged leaf. This damage is overall caused by the nymph stage and the adult stage of the whitefly. We can control by different products, but I used my research work for major products. Two that is consist of the fungus, entomopathogenic fungus. One is the Bavaria bassiana. This is the Bavaria bassiana and this is the Metarhizium anisopili, and two extract used in my study. This is present into the solution form. This solution is the fungus, and this solution of the extract, botanical extract that is used. Objective of this study: evaluate the toxic effect botanical extract neem garlic against Babesia tabaci nymph and adult, and examine the toxic effect of entomopathogenic fungi, Metarhizium and Bavaria bassiana against the nymph and adult stages. Four products that we can use and uh, and examine the toxicity and efficacy to the nymph stage and the adult stage. Next, material and method. Insects, botanical extracts, and in EPF also required for this the research work and appropriate trials. Here, first of all, I collected the insects from the cotton field, then botanical extract from the botanical garden of the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, and then collect the entomopathogenic fungi. After collection, I prepared the solution of the neem and garlic and EPF. This is the tabulated form. I used different concentration of the Bavaria bassiana and Metarhizium anisopili. This is the solution form. Methods. Uh, we use two methods: leaf dip method for the adult, and one paper that is followed by the Fatma Jeffrey Peggy 2014, and spray method for the nymphal stage. Mortality of nymph after different intervals. I noticed the mortality of the nymph after different intervals, like 24, 48, 72, and 120 hours. I noticed that the Metarhizium anisopili after 120 hours have the much effective for the nymphal stage of whitefly. Rather than the neem and garlic, neem has the least effect. minimum effect, toxic effect on the nymphal stage. Here is the graphical presentation of the mortality of the nymph. Next, mortality of adult after different intervals. Similar like that, the nymphal stage, I also noticed that the observed the Metarhizium manisculi is most effective rather than the other three products like Bavaria bassiana, garlic, and neem. Metarhizium manisculi has the 57.3 percent mortality after 120 hours, but neem has the 37. It is the least effective. This is the graphical presentation. Here is the references. Thank you very much for your time.